Welcome to Talkin Things World, family-friendly fun.
Tick, tock, tick, tock. Look at my hands.
The short hand is on the 12. The long hand is on the 12. It is midnight. I am a very good clock.
I always know the time.
Be quiet, Ticky. Midnight is for sleeping.
I am a cushion. I love sleeping. My cotton is so soft. I want to dream.
Hush, my friends. Look at me. I am a globe. The world is sleeping. Asia is sleeping. Europe is sleeping. It is
time to rest.
I am resting too. I am a light bulb. I am dark now. I am saving my bright energy for the morning. I like the morning.
Morning is at 7 o'clock. Not now. Now is midnight. Tick, tock.
Oh no! Oh no! What is that sound? It is me! My alarm is ringing!
The alarm is ringing. That means it is morning. Hello, morning. I must shine.
My eyes. Lumie, why are you so bright? It hurts my sleepy eyes. Turn off the light.
It is morning. Ticky said so. Look at my light. It is yellow. It is happy. I did not say it is morning. I made a mistake. My alarm is broken. I am a bad clock. Oh dear. Oh dear. The world is spinning too fast.
Ticky is making a loud noise. Lumie is making a bright light. This is a funny disaster.
It is not funny. I am so tired. I just want a nap. Ticky, please stop ringing. Lumie, please stop shining.
I cannot stop. I am trying. Ring, ring, ring. I am shaking. I am shaking so much. Oh no. Ticky is shaking. Now I am shaking. I am flickering. Flash. Dark. Flash. Dark. This is like a disco. I do not like the disco. I have no hands. I cannot cover my ears.
Everyone, stop. Stop panicking. Take a deep breath. In and out.
I cannot breathe.
I am a clock.
Ring! Ring! Ring!
Okay, let me think. I am the globe. I know many things. Ticky, how do we stop your alarm? There is a button! On the top of my head. It is a red button. It is the snooze button. Someone must press the snooze button.
Oh no! Poor Ticky can't stop ringing. Do you think Plushy will help?
If you are enjoying this story, hit the like button right now.
And welcome to Talking Things World, where learning simple English is always fun.
I will do it. I will roll over and press it.
Wait, no. I am made of glass. If I hit the button, I will break. Then there will be no light, ever. Lumie is right. Glass is easy to break. I will do it. I will roll and press the button.
Wait, no. I am round. I will roll off the table. I do not want to fall off the table. Who will press the button?
The ringing is hurting my gears. Ring! Ring! Ring!
Why are you looking at me?
Plushy, you are soft.
Yes, Plushy, you will not break.
Plushy, please jump on my head.
Jump? But I am so heavy. I am so sleepy. Jumping is hard work.
Plushy, if you jump, the ringing will stop.
If the ringing stops, I will turn off my light.
If the light is off, you can sleep.
Real sleep? Okay, I will do it. For sleep. I am standing up. It is very difficult. I am wiggling my corners. 1, 2, 3. Jump! Oh, wow. Silence.
Thank you, Plushy. You are a very good cushion. The snooze button is pressed.
Look! Ticky is quiet. It was a false alarm. I will look outside the window.
Oh.
It is dark outside. The moon is in the sky. It is not morning. I made a silly mistake. Good night, friends.
The world is peaceful again. Ticky, you must be careful with your alarm.
I know, Corky. I know. I am sorry I scared everyone. I will check my alarm every night from now on. Mistakes happen, even to a perfect clock. Ticky? Yes, Plushy?
I am still on your head. It is actually very comfortable here. You are a good pillow.
Okay, Plushy, you can sleep there tonight. Tick, tock, tick, tock.
Good night, Ticky. Good night, Corky. Good night, Plushy. Good night, little world.
Simple English words today? Make sure to subscribe to Talking Things World for more cute stories and real lessons. See you next time.